Yeah, here one more in Informatica related scenario based question, most important Informatica related question, interview purpose. How to load every fourth record into target table in Informatica. Let's see here, table is there, select star from countries and descending order, count countries. Sorry, here I am creating table, one more target table. So like this, create table, country ID. Like this you can create table, country ID, country name, and every fourth record I want. So every fourth record I have to put in this table. This is the target table, right? No data is there present. So here let's drag the target table. What is the target table? This is for target table, every fourth record target table. Removing things and creating mapping. Every fourth records like that I mapped, given the mapping name. Here I am taking sequence generator. Start value is equal to 1 and end value is equal to 4, right? And reset, I'm putting reset option, right? I'm not checking reset option, and end value is equal to 4. Here cycle I have to click, right? For every fourth record. I'm dragging that input fields. Okay, I'm dragging next value from sequence generator. I'm connecting to filter transformation to filter out that. Here expression transformation not required. Sequence generator, wait, yeah, next value did not drag it, so here next value I drag, and here I have to give condition next value. So next value is equal to 4. So wherever next value is equal to 4, all those records will be into target table, right? It is simple mapping. So in this way you have to use filter transformation, filter out, connected to target table. Later in this way workflow, create workflow and task flow designer, connect and reconnect. You find, see, employ every fourth record, that is every fourth record I am searching for. Yeah, so here you have to give mapping connections. Countries not source, it's TGT, target schema. Right, execute. Let's run the workflow. Succeeded. See, let's check 6 records moved. Every fourth record means 25 records. 6 by 6 records only will get, right? In this way you can achieve, right? Total records 25 and 6 records we got, right? Brazil, see Brazil is the fourth record. Later after Brazil, Germany will be the second record in our target table. Later Israel, like that, right? See Israel, Germany, Israel, like that we will get, right? In this way we can achieve, right? Thank you so much.